Welcome back to the channel. It's a World Earthquake Update. We're heading over to the beautiful country of Mexico, where they experienced a 7.3 magnitude earthquake on July 17th, 2026 at a local time of 9:48 a.m. At a depth of 12 miles under the Earth's surface. This is a shallow focus earthquake, and the epicenter is 14.2 degrees north and 93.0 degrees west, placing it in the Pacific Ocean off the coastline of the Mexican state called Chiapas, and about 40 miles west-southwest of a town called Puerto Madero, which was formerly known as Puerto Chiapas, which is known for its beautiful beaches and amazing restaurants, with a population around 10,000 people. Now, there was a foreshock before the 7.4 of 4.7 on the same day, July 17th, and this occurred close to the border of Guatemala. Now, tectonically, this earthquake, the 7.4, is located at a triple point complex tectonic system where you have the collision and boundaries of three major plates. To the north is the North American, to the south is the Cocos Oceanic Plate, and to the east is the Caribbean Plate. Now, this earthquake occurred from the subduction of the Cocos Plate underneath the North American Plate along the Middle America Trench, subducting at around 6.6 to 7.6 centimeters per year. And to the north is the Montequí-Polachic Fault Zone, and to the east and further east, which is the transform plate boundary between the Caribbean Plate and the North American Plate, is the Teller Fault. Here we have the earthquake epicenter, the 7.4, and the MMI intensity contour lines, these concentric lines that are showing the intensity of how the local residents or people around the earthquake epicenter experienced this shaking. Did they experience it or not? And it's showing, based on the orange and yellow contour lines over the coastline of Mexico, just this part of Chiapas, that they definitely felt medium to high intensity of shaking, perhaps damage to structures, buildings, or people falling over, but this was definitely felt along the coastline. Now, using this image from USGS, we can focus on the immediate area around the main shock, the 7.4, which is in the blue or light blue circle, and the other circles indicate the other earthquakes that have occurred in the same area at different depths, but associated with the main shock. Now, the first one, the closest one to the main shock, that's the foreshock, the 4.7 mentioned earlier. The others are 14 different aftershocks occurring, obviously, after the main shock at different depths with varying magnitudes of 4.3 to 6.0.